about to share with you a new mobile upgrade, just because I definitely need a new phone, guys, and I really wanted something that's good quality, especially for cameras and pictures. So yeah, so I have received, let me do a little unboxing here. So there's a few papers. So I have a new iPhone 13, guys. So this is what I've got. So this is the screen protector. So yeah, the iPhone 13. So a little bit of an upgrade. I was initially gonna get either the 14 or 15, guys. But you know what? I just thought I'll stick to the 13 for now. But yeah, they're all nice anyway. I like all the iPhones are nice anyway. Can't go wrong. So let's see, guys. This is my new phone. So really like it. I really like that it's a nice white colour. And then what else do I have? I have my SIM in here. I am going to still keep my number and then I have, let me get it out, new cover case. How cute is that, guys? But I am going to get another case, but this is a new case for now. So I did purchase the bundle, which is you get the screen protector and the case. So check this out, guys. Super nice. Let me trying to open it with one hand. Oops. Whoa, this looks super nice, guys. How nice. Like every time there's a new phone that comes out straight from the box, it's always that glossy shine to it, and it feels like extra cold. So let me check it out. Feels super nice. It has this cute cover. It does have a cover to protect it, and I've got some chargers here. So yeah, guys, really nice. Perfect. How nice is this, guys? I'm going to put the glass protector on and the cover, but yeah, I really like it. So it has a nice good quality camera. That's what I need for pictures and camera. That's all I need with the new phone. But yeah, I really like it. But yeah, what I like about it, it has this perfect nice edge to it, nice and round. Yeah, guys, it's super nice and it just feels right on the hand. Definitely feels light, so it's not too heavy, not too light, just normal, which is nice. So yeah, I'm about to put the protector on and the cover on, and we'll check it out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So yeah, I do need to put my SIM card in, guys, but yeah, this is the cover, what it looks like. So I will put that on after I do the SIM card. So yeah, guys, I'm absolutely loving my new phone. Can't wait to use it. Can't wait to take some nice pictures and videos for you guys. Because I know how I am. I'll just sit all day just messing around with it, see what other features I can find. But yeah, guys, that is literally what I've got. A new upgrade iPhone 13. So yeah, love how the nice texture to it. As you can see, it's got like a really nice darky grey colour around the edges. So this one I have is called the Starlight. So yeah, it does have really good lens to these. So yeah, guys, can't wait to use it. Okay, guys, so this is my new camera. The camera lens on here is just amazing on the iPhone 13. I absolutely love it. You can see how crystal clear it is, and the quality in this camera is just amazing. You can easily see all the details in my makeup that is literally halfway coming down. But it has been a long day today, so yeah, just thought I'd come on here and show you guys the quality of my new camera. So anyway, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.